The Crow and Other Birds. A vain crow wanted to be more beautiful than she really was, and adorned herself with all kinds of colorful feathers from other birds, mainly peacocks. But in order to punish her vanity and to exercise their right of ownership, they pounced on her and snatched from her not only the stolen feathers, but also part of her own. More miserable than before, she now stood there again, a mockery of her own and a warning to all the vain. Never boast with borrowed splendor, otherwise ridicule is your reward.